as the business becomes global. And that means transporting goods become important. So we have three main types of transporting: air freight, sea freight, land freight. We gotta focus on sea freight. In sea freight we have to type: first, bulk cargo; second, break bulk cargo. In bulk cargo, cargo that is stowed loose transportation vehicles. A tank or hold without any packaging, handled by pump, scoop, convey, like grains, coal, petroleum, and chemicals. Transported in large quantities without packaging or packing. Transport itself acts as a container, and a loom or mass measurements are used to quantify cargo in these cases. Now let's see what bulk cargo types. First, solid bulk goods. Any materials that can be dispatched in the factory itself, mine, field, or location of origin of the material. This type of cargo is very varied. Second type is liquid bulk. On the other hand, are any material that can flow freely, normally loaded and unloaded from the ship using pipelines and pumping stations. Unlike solid bulk cargo, this type of bulk is transported in tanks specifically designed to hold liquid materials, example, chemicals or food in liquid or oil. Let's go to the second type, break bulk cargo. Cargo in between bulk and containerized, that must be handled piece by terminal workers, often stored in boxes and stacked on pallets. It show how they containerize the goods in break bulk cargo. Can be loaded on deck or between deck, and can be loaded under deck. Now we learned where they can loaded the goods. Let's see the types of break bulk cargo. Containerized cargo. Cargo filling an entire container that is handled as a single unit. Tank containers. For bulk liquids and dangerous goods. Container. A single rigid sealed reusable metal box in which freight is shipped by vessel, truck, or rail. And the last thing is dunnage. A wood and packaging materials used to keep cargo in place inside a container or transportation vehicle. We talked about type of transportation and focused on sea freight. Also, we learned things about it. But now we're going to talk about what happens if your goods is lost in extreme weather, maritime accidents, fire, and criminal activity. No matter what the destination, maybe these events can pose a threat to your shipment and add overheads to your business. To handle such situations legally and assist traders in managing the risks, a marine insurance is the solution.